Well, today I'm heading off to Pirron, Yallock. Interesting named place. I'm going to go and see something there that I think a lot of people don't know is there. So let's see what I'm going to go and have a look at. Pirron, Yallock. A shiny new windmill. Here I am in Pirron, Yallock. This is what I've come to see. I wasn't really sure whether I was actually going to get to see what I wanted to look at. I do know it's actually fenced off closer up, but let's go and take a look. Here's a bit of a clue to what I've actually come to look at today. It's the railway line between Geelong and Warrnambool. I've come to look at the old Pirron Yallock railway station. It's just over there. So there it is, the Pirron Yallock railway station. As you can see out the front, there's no longer a platform. The station is relatively intact, although it does look like it's been vandalised a bit. It seems to have had a shelter shed in the middle at some stage. This train station faces north, so it would have been warm even on a cold day with a cold southwesterly wind. There it is. Pirron Yallock railway station. I am standing on what would have been a platform many years ago to the Pirron Yallock railway station. As I said before, the platform is long gone. But, very interesting station. Amazing it's actually still here and not burnt down. So I really should get off these railway tracks before a train comes along. That would be really, really foolish, wouldn't it? Can't see anything at the moment though. Obviously it's Warrnambool towards Geelong. Here's the rear side of the station. Two brick chimneys, which are interesting. Well, I think so. So the Pirron Yallock railway station here was opened in 1894 and was on a railway line that ran all the way down to Port Fairy. I'm going to get out of here before someone tells me to get out of here. Forward to the floor. I think this is by Star Sailor. I've got one hit wonders, so I'm not sure. Maybe you can tell me. Simon, I just drove straight through the 70 zone at 100. I hope there weren't any cameras there. Whoops.